Hello students, so today we'll be making lampshades with glass colors and OHP sheet. So how you are going to make it is, you will be using fabrical glass colors for that, and you need a OHP sheet, you need a ribbon and something to hang at the bottom of the lamp. It's very easy. I think you must be having old glass colors also, which we have used in school for the previous activities. So take out the glass liners from the glass colors, remove its cap and start lining the design. You can take any design as per your choice, whatever you have. You can make some cartoon, you can make flowers, fruits, landscape, whatever you want. Just start outlining the design. So the lining is complete. I had already done it for you. You have to touch it with your finger and see it's dry or not. After this, you take a glass colors, remove its nozzle and start coloring it. Just remove the bubbles with your hand or a safety pin if it is there. Like this, coloring and remove the bubbles. I feel comfortable in doing with hand. It's your wish, you want to do with hand or with the. So the coloring is done. I had already done it for you. It's done and it is, see, it's dry also. You have to wait until the time coloring is not dried. You have to keep it on a straight surface. You can't bend it like this because colors are very thin, they'll flow down. Okay, now the coloring is done. Now take something you want to hang. Like I've taken this wrinkle ribbons which we use in flower arrangements. You have to peel it out, and after this you stretch it with your scissors and it gets wrinkled. You can use these also, or you have something to hang at your home, you can use that also. See, the coloring part will come inside and the neat part will go outside. So you take a cello tape and paste these at the bottom. With the equal distance you have to maintain. You can use something else also if you have at home. I was having these, so I use these. You can use something else also. I pasted it. Now just roll it out. And paste this with a tape. Neatly pasting should be done. See, your lamp is done, and then you take a ribbon and just like a bag you punch it on both the sides to hang it. You need a stapler for this. And with this, your lamp is complete. Thank you.